Pinunta na naman ba kita dito? Nanggugulo na naman ako. Irene, sorry.
Magkasama tayong pumunta dito, TJ. Nagtanan tayo.
Nagtanan?
Nagtanan.
Irene, teka lang.
TJ, wait. Kailangan makinig ka sa akin. Ipapaliwanag ko. Papaliwanag. I know.
I just need space. I just need space.
I know may sakit ka. Alam ko may asawa ka. Alam ko lahat yun, pero pinili kong sumama sa'yo.
Why?
Kasi mahal kita.
Irene,
Because I wanted to. Because I love you. That's why. Because I still love you,
Wait, hang on.
TJ. I still love you. I'm sorry.
Irene, did we? God, please don't. Please tell me we didn't. Irene, please. Please tell me we didn't. Irene, please. Please tell me we didn't.
Walang nangyari sa atin, TJ. Napagod ka lang. Kaya nagpahinga ka.
Okay. Okay, Irene, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry for everything. I'm sorry na nadadamay ka dito sa gulo dahil sa sakit ko. Okay? And I'm sorry na nasasaktan kita. I really am. But I think you have to know. Okay, you have to know whatever it is that you're feeling for me. Whatever it is that you think you have for me, I can't give it back to you. In any way. I can't. I think mahal ko si Joanna. I love my wife. I love her so much. She's my wife and our child together. I can't mess. I can't mess that up. Irene, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look, you have to believe me. I'm not just saying this to be vindictive. I'm not saying this to hurt you. Gusto ko lang linawin yung sitwasyon, Irene, because you deserve that. I owe you that much. Okay, I owe you that much. Irene, you were a huge part of my life, and kaya siguro sa'yo ako kumakatok kapag sinusumpong ako nitong sakit ko. But you have to know, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, kahit kumatok ako, please, huwag mo na akong pagbuksan. Please, Irene, huwag mo na akong hayaan pumasok sa buhay mo because do us both a favor. Let's just stop this, whatever this is. This can't be good. None of this is good. Para din hindi na kita masaktan.